Sa dami ng ginagawa ko noon, I only focused on marketing when I needed to launch a new product, a service, or a store opening. But after 40 plus years in business, what I want to share with you is that marketing efforts have to be ongoing. Meaning, araw-araw, oras-oras. Pag tumahimik tayo, makakalimutan tayo ng customers at clients natin. Kaya, dapat tuloy-tuloy ang marketing so that we can stay top of mind with our old and new customers. So now, you see me na laging active sa social media, right? My team and I, wala na kaming ibang ginawa kundi mag-focus sa marketing. Araw-araw akong gumagawa ng videos para sa mga clients ko. Nagpapadala kami every week ng newsletters at nag-a-upload ng podcast. At least once a week, nagsusulat and nag-a-upload kami ng aming email. Now, every day, nagpo-post kami sa social media ng mga ganap ko sa buhay. Every week, nag-i-invite kami ng mga guests for interview over Zoom and broadcast it over Facebook Live. Now, even if I am an introvert who would rather stay home, nag-a-attend pa rin ako ng mga events at nagpapakita. I need to be seen para lagi akong top of mind sa kanila. Do marketing daily, ha? And be business-minded, Pinoy.